Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. It is Try It Tuesday, so take this kindness challenge. Give a genuine compliment to 3 people today. I'm sure you'll make their day, and you'll probably make yours too. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have sausage biscuit. For lunch, it's going to be hot dog. Tomorrow for breakfast, ham and cheese croissant. For lunch, beef and bean burrito. Today's birthdays, we have a few birthdays today. We have Colin Chandler, Mason Robinson, and Zach Watson. So happy birthday to these fellas, and I hope you have a wonderful day. A few announcements. P.S. reminders that PST, all documentation should be uploaded and completed prior to 5/19 PST meeting. This includes insights to behavior documentation. For our remote students, our device drop-off is going to be Monday, May 24th from 1 to 2 and from 3:30 to 4:30. Also, Wednesday, May 26th from 8 to 11. So teachers, make sure you are letting your students know about that. Make sure their work is complete before these drop-off times. And we will be ready to take up their devices. Make sure that everyone who's turning in a device has the device and the charger and anything else they were given to use the device. Late duty today will be Miss Arch, tomorrow Miss Cunningham, then Miss Shaver and Miss White. Important dates. May 24th is our first remote student device drop-off. That's 1 to 2, 3:30 to 4:30. May 25th is our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th is the end of the year celebrations. May 26th is our last day for students, which is a half day. May 26th we'll also be doing another remote student device drop-off from 8 to 10. And finally, May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.